Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen lock or unlocking sound in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock your screen. If you lock your screen, after locking you will get a sound. See, listen here. Also, if you unlock your screen, there will be a sound. Listen here. So if you like to turn off this screen lock unlocking sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of a tablet here, then go to sound, and here select screen locking sound. Just to turn off this button. Hereafter you will not get any sound while locking and unlocking your tablet. See here, listen here. I am going to lock my tablet. After locking, there is no sound. Also, I would like to unlock my tablet. After unlocking, there is no sound. So in this way, you can easily turn off screen lock unlocking sound in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.